Clients are great, but they drive us all nuts from time to time with their interesting questions. Here's 3 ways Teamwork.com can help you reduce the amount of time that you spend answering those interesting questions.
Clients View, a dedicated, fully customizable section where you can quickly see all your clients and what really matters.
So they don't keep chasing you about every single minor detail. 2. Client users and permissions. Here you can add clients to your projects and you can control exactly what they see, from tasks and milestones to files and messages, giving them visibility where it matters and the things you don't actually want them to see. 3. Client dashboards and real-time reports are a thing of beauty. These let you share project progress, timelines and budgets without compiling manual updates or holding endless meetings. You get clear, professional insights at a glance. And to top it off, it's fully customizable. We built Teamwork.com out of similar frustrations, so we get it, and we're here to help.